All right, so I just got my magnifying desk lamp sent to us, and I want to check this out. It's going to be great for hobbies and just working on small items. So let's hook it up and see what it looks like. All right, so in the box, we have some alligator clips. Looks like a desk clamp. Got a power supply, magnifying glass in the stand, some rubber feet, and it looks like we got the weighted base here. All right, so I got it all put together here, and it's got a very heavy weighted base, so it's very sturdy. However, they do give you a table clamp if you need it, so if you want a little extra support, that is there as well. They give you the little alligator clips here that have a nice rubber coating, so you're not going to mar the finish of anything you're working on. And it's fully adjustable, so you can definitely pivot around, move it, put it in place where you need it with the magnifying glass. And the great thing about it is it has multiple light features as well. So obviously on, off, and then you could do 3 different types of color hue, and then also set your brightness and your dim on the light. So depending on what you're working on, if you want a different color hue on there, that's definitely going to be helpful to certain eyes. And I'm going to try it out on some jewelry that we're working on right now and see how it works looking through the magnifying glass. All right, so what I'm doing is fixing some jewelry here, and again, it's really helpful to have that third hand to hold it in place while you're working on it. To see those fine details, this magnifying glass and the light right on your workstation is awesome. This magnifies up to 10 times, so I can really see all the details and the clarity of what I'm working on. So also for soldering projects, things like that, I think this is going to be really great.